Hello, friends. Today I'm going to talk about how we can buy things at low prices.
Nowadays, we can see that everyone buying products through online apps like Meesho, Flipkart, etc.
We know that buying products from Meesho is affordable.
In this video, I'm going to show you where you can buy products at very low prices.
If this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
I will show you that site on the screen. Please watch it carefully and don't skip watching the video until the end to understand how to buy products at a low price.
Now, when I open the site, you can see that the site is open and even some products are available at a lower price. The list of products that you are seeing now are the products that I have purchased. Now, I will show you the list of products. Above, you can see some options. You can see it in the 4 options above: Reels, Collection, Posts, and Video. In this, you can see product reels, product collections, product posts, and videos posted by someone talking about the review. Now, I'll show you a video. Sorry, I can't play the audio for you. I don't know if my YouTube video has copyright, so you can watch that video on the site. Okay, the video's playing now. I want to show you how cheap the price of the product is. I also want to show you the difference between the actual price and the price of the product now given. Now you can see the actual price and the given price of that Scalp Relax Octopus Massager. The original price is $390. You can buy it for just 91 rupees. You can also buy a beauty face massage. Original price 90, you can buy it for 21 rupees. Next, you can buy a plastic foot scrubber. Original price 42, can be bought for 10 rupees. I'm buying this, it's really good. Good quality for a low price, it's cool. Next, I'll show you the head massager that everyone loves. It helps you relax and reduces headaches. Oh my God, you can see that the original price and the given price are very affordable. The original price is $1,050 and the purchase is $245. I hope everyone can afford this price. Now, I will show you the collection here. You can see the products post. So if you need, I can't show you all the products on the site. If you like the products, buy the products you like. I will provide the link of the site in the description. I hope this video will be helpful to everyone who watches it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.